Hi, my name is Sue Figge, and I'm an adjunct at Bay Path University. I've been working for the school for many, many years now, and I've been utilizing alerts from the beginning. The reason I like early alerts is it helps me reach out to my students who I know are struggling. And for my students, they like it because they find that they're not just a number in the school, they're a person. And they think, that many students have said to me, when you did that, it showed me that you cared and that you were really trying to keep me on track. And it has worked many, many times. In the beginning, I was worried that the advisors were like, really saying, "Oh, here she goes, nagging us again." But not once in this time have I had any advisor say to me, "Don't do an alert." In fact, they thank me for that. So I always feel that it is an important step. I do it by second week. If I see a student that I've had before and I know they're starting to struggle, I immediately do that alert. Immediately do it. If the first week, if I get minimal work from somebody, but they do put something in that it technically counts as first week work, I will also reach out. I have found that the advisors have always been very helpful to me. So I encourage you, use it. It's a great tool. It makes a student something other than a number. It makes them someone who they truly appreciate the fact that someone cares about them. Good luck to you all.